All right, when I have a fraction such as 0.2, you can write it as a decimal, decimal is 0.2. You can write it as a fraction quite easily. I mean, you could have done 2 on 10 and simplified here. Now, a reoccurring fraction can also be written as a reoccurring decimal can also be written as a fraction, and we have to follow the steps to do that. It is a rational number because it can be written as a fraction, so it's important to be able to recognise these and to be able to do them. You'll love this because the steps you have to follow are the same for every single one, and it's pretty nice. So if I'm writing 0.4 reoccurring as a rational number, that's saying write it as a fraction. So if I let n equal 0.44444 ... and I say 10n is 4.4444 ... So I've just moved the decimal place, and the reason I want to do that is because now I can subtract 10n minus n. This side I'm going to get 9n. This side, 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0, 0. So I've actually got this easy sum of 4 equals 9n, or n equals 4 9ths. Done. That will work every time. I'll do this one for you. Let n equal 1.3292929, blah, blah, blah. Now, if I make it 10n, then it's going to be 13.292929. If I make it 100n, that's going to put the 9 here, and I don't want that because I can't subtract them, so I have to actually make it 1000n, because that will get the 29 at the start of the pattern. I had to do this 10n to get it at the start of the pattern here, and I had to do the 1000n to get the next start of the pattern. So then I do 1000n minus 10n, so I get 990n, and I get 1329 minus 13. So my answer is 1316 on 990. I'll do another one up here. That one's a bit challenging. So maybe if I said to you 1.546 and I reoccurred like that. Let n equal 1.546546. Now if I let 1000n, that's going to move it 3 decimal places, so I'm going to get the pattern again. I need the pattern again because if I don't have the pattern again, I can't subtract like over here. This won't happen. So it's 2 minus 1. You don't have to write that. I just wrote that to help you. It's 990. N equals 1545 because it's 1546 minus 1. So n is 1545 on 990. Now you can easily check these on your calculator. Let me bring mine up. If I say 1545 on 990, oops, too many. 999, I can't subtract 1. Let's go again. So see how I checked and found I was wrong because I can't do a simple subtraction. 45 on 990. I did the same thing again. 99. Oh, got it. Okay, so you can check your answer. So make sure you don't make silly errors like me.